Stop before you buy the Tecno Pova 6 in Nigeria. You might be making a mistake because this phone is trending for one reason, but after testing it properly, real usage, I found something most people are not talking about. And if you ignore this, you might regret it after a few weeks. No long talk, let's go straight into it. So the main reason people are rushing the Tecno Pova 6 is gaming. I tested PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, and a long gaming season. At first, everything feels smooth. Now you actually think this thing is powerful. But give it some time. This is where most review ends. But this is where the real problem starts. After 30 minutes, you start noticing small frame drop, slight heating, and performance not as stable as the beginning. If you watch only short reviews, you will never see these parts. Now let's talk about something that impressed me. But wait, you are watching this video because of an information you are trying to get, right? So then, please do me a quick favor. Like this video and subscribe to my channel as we uncover the untold truths. Now, the battery. This is not normal, but wait, don't get me wrong. It's actually the opposite. Gaming, browsing, YouTube or other social medias. This phone just keeps going. This is not just a good battery. This is forget your charger type of battery. And if you live in Nigeria, you already know light is not something you can trust. Now, be honest. How many times has your phone died when there's no light? Drop it in the comment section below. Now, the camera. Let's be honest. In daylight, good, very stable. But at night, this is where you see the difference between hype and reality. It's not terrible, but it's not impressive either. If camera is important to you, this is not your best option. If you like honest review like this, not those everything is perfect video, hit that subscribe button. Because I test these phones the way you actually use them in real life. Now, design. Quick one. This phone looks aggressive, very gaming style. Lights, patterns, it stands out, but not everyone will like it. If you prefer clean, simple phones, this might feel too loud. Now, let's go back to something important. That's more issue with performance. When you push this phone hard for a long period, it heats up, performance drops slightly. It won't ruin your experience, but it slowly reminds you this is not a flagship phone. Now, here is where things get interesting. In Nigeria right now, this phone is selling for around 280,000 naira for the standard version. And at this price, you start thinking, is this actually the best option or just one of the popular ones? So let me make it simple. Buy this phone if you want strong battery. You play games casually. You want value for your money. But avoid this phone if camera matters to you. You want stable, high-end gaming for a long season. So be real with yourself. With this price in Nigeria right now, are you choosing the Tecno Pova 6 or going for something better? I want to know your choice and why. Drop it in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.